Hey guys, how are you? This is Sean Doyle at MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough of our 2018 270 Vantage. Give you a nice little profile view. Plenty of shade with the full hardtop. Let's step on board. Alrighty guys, thanks for joining us inside the bow of the 270 Vantage. As you can see, plenty of seating on the 27. Walking into the cockpit, very popular feature here on the 27 Vantage. Aft facing seating, forward facing seating, but it does also convert into more of a leaning post while running or more into a lounge. For the family and friends, you do have a nice size head here. It's a vacuum flush toilet. Coming to the back of the boat, plenty of cockpit space, like I said, for fishing, but you also, for entertaining, do have a fold-away bench seat here. Very comfortable for the family and friends. This boat has a pair of 225 Mercury Verados. I sure would love to show you the boat in person. Please do reach out to me if you have any questions. My name is Sean Doyle at MarineMax Pompano. My cell is 954-579-8956. See you soon.